chulo. One white shoe and one nika. Got no house and I got no car. One black boy from Africa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be yet another kinky twist tutorial. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful spring twist hairstyle. You guys know I love doing this spring hairstyle. I've actually done different types. If you've not seen my spring hairstyles, I'm gonna link the videos in the description box below. So I decided to try this one because first of all, I love the way the spring turns out, and also I love the ombre color and I love the length. And you know the cool thing about this, I keep saying this hair is absolutely beautiful, and you can keep it for as long as 2 months if you want. You can wash it as well. You can do so many styles with this hairstyle that you can never go wrong with a twist hairstyle. I absolutely love it. So the hair I used to make this twist hairstyle, I actually bought it from Amazon. I'm gonna look for it and I'm gonna link it in the description box below. It comes in 3 packs, in a pair of like 3 packs, and I used the 3 packs, and I think I bought it for about £20 or £21, something like that, you know. I think that's what I bought it for. So I used the 3 packs and it didn't take that much time. The only thing is that when you have time, you just do the twist, you know, because I did the crochet in the middle because I don't have time to braid all my hair, so I did the crochet in the middle. So at your spare time, you just twist it, and when you have the time, you just crochet it in the middle, and then you cornrow, as in do a single plait in front, and you're good to go. You guys can see how it looks. I absolutely love this hairstyle, and I hope you guys love this hairstyle too. If you do, you know what to do. Support me by liking this video and subscribe and share with your friends, and let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, I'm just gonna take one strand, stretch it a little bit, and then start twisting. As you guys can see, as I'm twisting, I'm kind of stretching it while I'm twisting it to be able to get the twist to look like this. So this is what it looks like, and this is what 2 packs looks like. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Miracle Hair Balm on my hair. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my castor oil. Then I'll be applying my Das hair cream. So right here, I'm just gonna comb it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my braiding pattern.
All night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, and we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me.
So now I'm done with my braiding pattern. You guys can see it's really easy. So but first of all, instead of doing the crochet on the braiding pattern, I'm gonna go ahead and make the hair in front first of all. So I'm gonna take one strand, stretch that strand out, cornrow it on my hair. I'm gonna start with the cornrow on the root. Then when I get to an extent, I'm going to apply my wax, and then I'm going to blend it with the extension hair and then twist everything together like so. So that's it. I'm going to repeat it again for you guys to see. So I'm going to take a strand, stretch the strand, and my own hair is going to start out as the third hair that I'll use to cornrow the root. Once I've cornrowed the root, I'm going to take the wax and apply on the hair and then attach it to the strand and then twist very well. So that's just what I'm going to keep doing. When I get to the root, I make sure I coil it very well. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm done with it. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the crochet on the other part of my hair. After doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges. This is totally optional. After laying my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf on it, and then now I'm done with my makeup. I'm taking off the scarf, and this is the final look, guys. I absolutely love this hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be using their